So audience, today I've got a package. So this is going to be an unboxing of this nice package. It's from a place called CD-ON, which is... I don't know if it's a Swedish company, but it's a company. So yeah, here is the unboxing. So yeah, let's begin now. I'm using this nice knife. It's a Hasaki. That doesn't sound Swedish. Let's begin. Let's open this big ass box. What the fuck? There's with another box. I just cut my box. Let's see. I hate those fucking boxes. Oh yeah. Let's be like crazy. Yeah. Here we got first of all my new headset is a Corsair Vantage 2000, which is wireless and stuff like that. It's awesome. Let's lay it on the side here. Then we have those puffs. Yeah, that was funny. No, it's not. It sucks. I threw it away. Yeah, here we got the keyboard. It's just as the same as I had before. It's a Razer Lycosa, which is an awesome keyboard, if you ask me. Looks like this. Pretty boring. Yeah, here I got it. And yeah, let's begin with the headset. And this is great to have. It's if you want to send it back. Here we have the like sending order. What they sent to me. Yeah, he's going to close the door. This plastic bag. Let's cut that up. I love cutting stuff. That sounded wrong, but yeah. Let's open it now. How the fuck? Let's throw it away like everything else. Let's see where I open this. It's here. Yeah. Let's cut it up. Let's see if I can. Yeah. Yeah, let's show the box first, like everyone else does. It says wireless 7.1 gaming headsets, wireless gaming audio, 50mm drivers, optimized HRTF position audio, up to 10 hours battery life. Yeah, like I should believe that. Let's fuck this box. It's just boring when people talking about the box. Yeah, here we have it. Let's throw this box away like everything else. Yeah. See, I can put it up without any cables or anything. Pretty nice design of it. Really, yeah, that could be like a little bit harder. Microphone, badass. I will do a review sooner, so let's not talk about the stuffs that much. And here we have like the USB adapter. If I can get it up, let's use a knife. This is the USB adapter that makes it like working. And here we have some. Let's throw this away. And here we have like a longer thing. Yeah, my cat wants to get out, so I'm going to open the door. You want to get out? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, now I'm back again. And here we got the cable so you can recharge the headset, which is kind of good because you don't have to change the battery all the time. So yeah, it's great. And we have some no drivers. What the fuck? You don't need any drivers. That's great. Just plug and play. Great stuff. I love plug and play. USB is kind of obvious that it's plug and play. Plastic. I love plastic. No, I hate it. Yeah. Now let's see if we can get this open. Let's fuck the box. Like every fucking dude. I want like not cut. Yeah, you don't. You can just drag this off.
I don't want to destroy the box because it's great to have boxes if you want to send it back. If you don't want to have it, or what the fuck you should have. Let's drag this shit out. Yeah, another box. That was obvious. Throw it away. And then we open this nice. What the fuck? Let's drag this. Oh wait, what? Plastic. Here we got a keyboard. I already had one of these, so I don't have to be that ecstatic about it. Yeah. This is one thing that's, yeah, let's sound very much. Here we have the drivers, so I don't have to talk about them, nothing. This is one thing that's great with this headset. But it's a lot of USBs, so I recommend that you have more than one USB free. And then you have the like 3.5 cables. Here we got some USB ports and the headset and the microphone. Yeah, it's non-slippery buttons. It's really slim. Yeah, that was like all of this shit. So let's plug it in and see how it works. See you soon.
Hello. Now I'm trying my new headphones. It's nice. I loved it. And I'm also trying the new microphone, which I'm using now. It could be better sound. It's kind of dark and stuff like that. But I think it's nice. And I'm using my new keyboard. It's fucking bright. My last one didn't like lighting this bright. And yeah, now the touch is working. My last keyboard didn't have a working touch. So yeah, now I'm using it. And let's try out the headphones, the sound. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, I have the volume at max, so but the bass is and you're getting all fucked in the brain. And I can't hear anything outside of this. It's really amazing. As you see, it's wireless. No fucking cables and stuff like that. It's awesome. And yeah. Let's see how long distance it works.
Yeah, now I'm like on my way to the bathroom and I'm still hearing. It's awesome. If you can hear her, vänta, wait, I meant not wait, vänta. Yeah, can still hear. It's awesome. And let's continue walking. My bathroom is a bit away. Yeah, now I'm in my, like, what the fuck is it called? Furniture, I don't know. And yeah, I'm still here. It's awesome. So if I say the distance of it working, it's nice. So yeah, this was like all of this unboxing. I don't know, I don't have anything else to say. So, if I say like this, see